LATPRES says Team TEMBESI pricing explained what you get for your money. If you follow esports or local gaming tournaments, LATPRES says Team TEMBESI might have popped up, but most people get this wrong by assuming entry is free or uniform. The surprising truth is that pricing varies by tournament, game category, and location. Entry fees typically range from per player, depending on the scale and prize pool. Some events offer team packages, while others charge per participant. Additional costs may include registration processing, equipment rental, or travel for offline events. What you get: participation in competitive gaming events, potential prizes, rankings, and networking with the gaming community. What you give up: entry fees, possible travel or equipment costs, and time commitment for matches and practice. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Choose events that fit your skill level and budget. Step 2. Form teams strategically to increase chances of winning. Step 3. Check tournament rules and prizes carefully before registering. Step 4. Factor in any travel or additional costs to calculate true value. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore the details. Fees may outweigh potential rewards, or your team may be ineligible for prizes due to missed rules. The surprising truth is that LATPRES says Team TEMBESI offers real competitive opportunities, but understanding pricing and logistics is key to maximizing your investment. In conclusion, LATPRES sees Team TEMBESI provides competitive gaming experiences with varying entry costs. By reviewing fees, rules, and prize structures, you can enjoy the tournaments while getting meaningful value for your money.